Welcome to Handy Mama's Kitchen Cleaning Edition. Although it took me nearly 3 hours to clean, along with a bit of flower picking, I feel confident the kitchen will look like the before pictures within just a half hour. Instead of having magical cleaning fairies, I have 4 precious and beautiful dirt fairies. They are the gifts that keep on giving. But sometimes the clutter hits you like a freight train and you have to pick up the broom and the cleaning supplies and make your own magic happen. Here are my cleaning big hitters that I absolutely love to use. They will be linked below, and it would mean so much to me if you used one of the links to make a purchase. Doing this gets you an incredible product at the same price from going on Amazon without a link. And it might put a small commission in our family's pocket. Rejuvenate really does an incredible job of deep cleaning my floors. I have been so impressed with its cleaning power. Thank you so much for investing your time and watching another Handy Mama video. I hope all your cleaning dreams come true.